For the first time in history, we have set in motion a national policy aimed at both increasing gas mileage and decreasing greenhouse gas pollution for all new trucks and cars sold in the United States of America. It's no secret that these are folks who've occasionally been at odds for years, even decades. This proposed national policy, under the leadership of 2 agencies and bringing together 14 states, 10 companies, as well as auto workers and environmental groups, changes all that. The goal is to set one national standard that will rapidly increase fuel efficiency without compromising safety by an average of 5% each year between 2012 and 2016. And that's why in the next 5 years, we're seeking to raise fuel economy standards to an industry average of 35.5 miles per gallon in 2016, an increase of more than 8 miles per gallon per vehicle. That's an unprecedented change, exceeding the demands of Congress and meeting the most stringent requirements sought by many of the environmental advocates represented here today. As a result, we will save 1.8 billion barrels of oil over the lifetime of the vehicles sold in the next 5 years.